A US-based tech platform, growing fast, raising capital, integrating GenAI into everything from support to back-end workflows, signed up for OpenAI. But the contract, let's just say, vague is an understatement. Reasonable usage, enterprise-grade security, limited liability, and absolutely nothing about how their data, prompts, or outputs could be used. They were days away from signing. That's when they called Redress Compliance. We dissected every clause and found massive exposure. Uncapped usage definitions, no audit trail protection, no IP boundaries for proprietary prompts or outputs. If anything went wrong, it was all on them. Here's what we did. We rewrote the usage definitions from reasonable to measurable, inserted strict IP clauses to protect inputs, models, and results, limited OpenAI's downstream rights, built-in fallback options in case performance didn't meet SLAs. And just as important, we removed vague, enterprise-ready fluff and forced OpenAI to commit to real, testable security terms. The client walked away with a deal they understood and could enforce. This wasn't just about price. It was about control, accountability, and protecting their business from ambiguous AI risks. If you're scaling with GenAI, don't settle for a contract that leaves you guessing. RedressCompliance.com. Redress Compliance will help you lock in clarity, control, and confidence.